Hi everyone, my name is Zach Bohn, and welcome to my course, Managing Activities and Collaboration in Salesforce. I'm a Salesforce business analyst from Chicago, Illinois, with years of experience in Salesforce administration, data analytics, and data reporting. I'm excited to share this content with you as you grow in your journey as a Salesforce professional. Salesforce has some great native tools for productivity that go unused by many organizations. For anyone who's interested in helping their user base to become more productive and collaborative, this course offers thorough reviews and hands-on situational training in the Salesforce Chatter tool and the Salesforce objects referred to as activities. Throughout this course, we'll perform interactive scenarios that allow you to follow along with me and gain real administrative experience to prepare you to optimize the collaborative tools in your Salesforce org. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include the configuration of Chatter settings in the Setup portal, how to fully utilize Chatter to facilitate file sharing and user collaboration, Salesforce activity usage, which includes tasks, events, and calendar administration, and some best practices for these topics in real-world scenarios. By the end of this course, you'll know how to configure and administer the Salesforce Chatter tool, how to create tasks and utilize the calendar in Salesforce to schedule events, how to customize page layouts for activity records, and much more. Before beginning my course, you should be familiar with navigating objects in Salesforce and performing some basic administrative functions in the Salesforce Setup portal. I hope that you'll join me on this journey to learn valuable administrative tasks for Salesforce Chatter and other collaborative tools with the Managing Activities and Collaboration in Salesforce course at Pluralsight.